the ratio of this one? At the surface G naught, and this is above certain height above from the ground, GH value. Now, if we'll make the ratios of this one, divide equation 2 with the equation 1. What is the equation will become? Anybody can tell me? Divide equation 2 with equation 1. I want that. Anyway, let me see. Divide equation 2 with equation 1. What will happen, Metakshri? Tell me. GH divided by G naught, which is equals to, yes, please tell me, everybody. GH divided by G naught is equals to GM divided by R square, sorry, R plus H whole square. GM divided by R plus H whole square divided by GM divided by R square. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Yes, all of you. Now it will turns into GM divided by, Mr. Kaushik, not understand means ask me. GM divided by R plus H whole square into, it will become reciprocal. So that what will happen? You should tell me. R square divided by GM. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody. Now something
Yes,
is which will cancel. What is that? You should tell me. GM will get cancelled. Very good, Arun. That is what speaking means, it will come. So what is the formula now? What is remaining? GH divided by G naught, which is equals to, what is the remaining things? R square divided by R plus H whole square. Is it okay, guys? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, observe very carefully this one. I'm having A square divided by B square. Mathematics. Can I write as a by B whole square? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, GH divided by G naught. H means subscriptum. Don't make this much big. So, okay. So, very small it should come. So, GH divided by G naught, which is equals to, can I write it as a R divided by R plus H whole square? Any doubt, Mr. Arun Kailash? Ari Jairaj? Johan? Yes, please. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now, observe very carefully. G naught is in division. Will come this side. What will happen?
Multiplication, sir.
Multiplication. So G naught into. So G naught value already we people know. What is the G naught value?
9.8 meter per second square.
Yes, 9.8 meter per second square. So this is the relationship between, what is that? GH and G naught. So please note it down. Relationship between GH and G naught. Understand, Mitakshri? For NEET and JEE,
Yes, sir.
this is the basic thing which you should learn very carefully. Okay. Now, I want to make it reciprocal, Hari. Then what will happen, Hari? Mathematics. This one, I want to make it reciprocal. R plus H by R. Then what will happen? Anybody, can you tell me this?
The power will become negative, sir.
Power will become negative. How many of you know this one? Anybody can tell me? How many of you know? Do all people know this one? Mr. Ari Jairaj?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody. I want to make it this one reverse. Will you people able to tell me? Is it what is will become power then? GH is equals to G naught into, I want to write this one as R plus H divided by R. Then what about the power?
-2, sir.
-2.
So please remember that. I did just reciprocal. Understand, Mitakshri? Yes? Now,
Yes, sir.
GH is equals to G naught into, can I write this one as R by R plus H by R? Is it right or wrong? Anybody?
It is correct, sir.
Correct. Now, R by R will get cancelled. What will come?
1.
1. So, GH is equals to G naught into 1 plus H by R minus 2. Is it okay, guys? Have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
This is only I want. So how many of you understand this? Are you clear? Mr. Arun Kailash? Yes. Please make it fast. Any doubt? Anybody can ask. I hope everybody understand. So this is what relationship between G and G naught when we are calculating. Okay. So the formula, this same formula I can modify like this also. As we know, power will go down. What will become, Hari? It will become division. Yes or no? Yes, please. So if you are confusing with that, so GH is equals to, please learn, G naught divided by 1 plus H by R whole square. Is it okay, Mitakshri now? No power, no confusion. Okay. So this is the relation between height, gravitational force, acceleration due to gravity at height, and acceleration due to gravity at surface. So please hope everybody understand. Then the relation between G and GH and G naught is, this is what the relation. Hope everybody understand. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. If not, so this is all about it. Now, if height is very closer to the earth, that is what, very small, for example, that is also extreme case. This is what, at certain height. Understand, Mr. Arizeras? Is suppose at 10
Yes,
kilometers
sir.
above, a person is at 10 kilometers above, 20 kilometers above, 30 kilometers above, then we have to use the formula finding GH is equals to G naught divided by 1 plus H by R whole square. Now, if H is extremely smaller than R, means in the sense of very closer to the earth. Understand? He went just like 10 meters, 20 meters, 1 meter, 5 meter. Understand, Hari? In that situation, just went very less height only he traveled. In this situation, we cannot use this formula. If H is extremely smaller, means he traveled extremely low distance above from the ground, then approximately the GH, we have to use the formula GH is equals to G naught into, please remember, 1 minus 2H divided by R. 1 minus 2H divided by R. This is the formula we have to use when? Hari, if H is extremely small, right? For heights close to surface of the earth. For heights close to surface of the earth. Surface of the earth. Then we have to use which formula? G naught into 1 minus 2H divided by R. If it is known distance like 10 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 100 kilometers, then we have to use this formula. If it is 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, like that very extremely low, then we can use this formula. Is it okay, Hari?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please make
Sir,
it.
no power, sir.
Yes, Hari? No power at all.
Power.
No power.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is what. Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is what about it. Now, this formula also, if it extremely small, this is what the formula. If it is larger height, what is the formula we have to use? This is the formula we have to use it. This is the first factor which will affect our gravitational force, acceleration due to gravity is altitude. So very important chapter for all your foundations and as well as NEET and JEE and all. So please kindly concentrate very well. Single concept only I taught you today. That is what altitude. So then tomorrow, next depth and all will study after the exams. Now you people will concentrate, and from tomorrow, please all of you revise this once again. And tomorrow we'll start the revision as it is from the first chapter and second chapter. Both the chapters will go with the revision. Okay. So thank you all of you. With this, I'll stop. Hope you all understand. Mitaksri, you understand? Mitaksri, are you clear with altitude? Yes,
Yes, sir.
yeah, please learn. It is very important. Future you will understand. what is the importance of this one studying at this time. Okay, so by this time you can learn even the depth and all. You can learn the mass of the earth and all, how to calculate. Of course, we know the mass of the earth. How much? What is the mass of the earth? What is the mass of the earth? 6 into 10 power 24 kilogram. How it came? What is the factors? These are all the things you should learn in the foundation. So that is what, then only you people can try whatever it is. So that is what we'll discuss everything. So now with this I will stop. So we'll continue in the next class. So thank you all of you. Bye. Please learn this one once again and we'll meet in the next class.